How to log into IMO account. Ready to jump back into your IMO account? Let's walk through the login process together. It's super simple. First things first, find the IMO app on your phone. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. Now you will see the screen asking for your phone number. This is the most important part. Make sure your country code is correct, then type your phone number you used when you first created your account. Once done, double check if there's any typos before you continue. Then tap on this tick right over here. Then confirm that it is correct, tap on OK. And tada, you have successfully logged into your account. Wasn't that easy and faster than you think? And now you can see all your chats and contacts waiting for you. And that's it, you have successfully logged back into the IMO. Was that easy enough? Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.